I'm pretty excited to make this faucet. It's gonna be really, really pretty, and it's gonna go with my sink color. My sink color has two. This is silver, and then this is gold. So the faucet is gonna be silver, gold, and copper. I'm very excited. First step, I just made this hole. And it fits really good, and I think I want it to be this high. Is that too high? Maybe like that. I can ask someone to cut this for me in the metal shop, but I don't know why I'm doing this myself. Come on, Erdy, just go ask for help. Halfway done. My arm. Okay, I'm almost done. Yay, almost done. I have to do this again one more time. Maybe 3 more times. I don't think I can do this 2 more times. Whew. How do you sand a metal? What do you know? You can use sandpaper. I don't think I can do this 2 more times. I'm gonna ask my friend to cut the other 2 pieces for me. Guess what? I cut the wrong piece. I have this other piece. I bought this jointer or connector thing, and I tried it there and it was stuck. So I was supposed to use this pipe, but I got the small piece. I used the small piece, so this won't come out. I tried so hard, won't come out. So I'll make another small piece right here. And this will be my faucet. Look at this beauty. Come on. Somewhere here. So beautiful. Now I'm sealing my drain with plumber's putty. And then we're gonna put it there. I'm gonna need a ratchet to tighten this up because I don't have the strength to tighten this up with my hands. This is so hard because this is heavy. I don't want to invert this because it's heavy. I hope everything is not moving together. That will suck. Oh, I think everything is moving together. That's not what I want. This is what I want. Okay. It is tightening because the plumber's putty is squeezing out. I think that's enough. Okay, so this is the clean water. Takes it through that pipe and then push it to the faucet. I think should take the water to this jug. So I'm gonna taste it to see if the whole plumbing thing works. So the pump works, but it's leaking right here. And I need to figure that out. Okay, so I'm gonna have to wash the tomatoes. Water goes like this. First, I have to come inside my van and pump the water. You see that? That's my running water. It's so cool.